Welcome to a world where math meets reality. Let's explore the fascinating conic sections and their real-life applications. First up, the ellipse. In astronomy, elliptical orbits describe celestial paths around the sun. Engineers use them in designing antennas, satellite dishes, and optical lenses. In physics, they shape charged particle orbits in electric and magnetic fields. Next, the parabola. It represents the trajectory of a ball thrown in a uniform gravitational field. Engineers use it in designing reflective surfaces for satellite dishes and headlights. In optics, it shapes parabolic mirrors in telescopes and solar cookers. Then, the hyperbola. It describes the path of comets in the solar system. Engineers use it in the design of radio antennas and satellite dishes. In navigation, hyperbolic systems determine the position of ships and aircraft. Meet the circle, a fundamental shape in geometry. Engineers use it in the design of gears, wheels, and bearings. It's also vital in trigonometry and complex numbers. Finally, straight lines, the basic elements in geometry. They represent the motion of objects in a straight line and are essential in civil engineering for designing roads and bridges. In summary, conic sections and straight lines are more than just mathematical concepts. They are practical tools that describe and solve real-world problems in physics, engineering, astronomy, and more.